Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning in, and today I have a very simple idea. Now I am going to be making more creations using my Barbies and my Bratz dolls, and today I just want to make a table. So what I did was I took some of my cake circle cake boards, and these are perfect. These are perfect for a table for either Barbies or the Bratz dolls. So I just need a base. Besides that, of course, I am going to get some of my nice decorative paper and cover the entire thing. But that will be in another video because I haven't looked at the paper yet. But as far as the structure of the table, this is what I want to share with you. So let's place this on the side. And what I have here, I have these ribbons. Let's see, what are they called? Yeah, ribbons. So I have two of these. I could use either one, depending on the colors that I'm going to incorporate or the colors of the decorative paper that I choose. So if I place one of these right on top, I mean, this is the simplest you can get. You know what I mean? But this is all about the height. I want to test out the height. So either way, whether that's there or that's there, let's use this one. Let's take this one out of the way. Okay. So let's say that this was the table, right? So if I stand her up, as you can see, she is too tall. But the idea is to sit her at the table. So she is going to have a chair. So if she is sitting down, let's see. Let me bend her legs here. Let's put this here. I want to bend her legs. Like, let's pretend that this ribbon here is the chair, which it's not. The chair that I'm going to use is different. I'm just sitting her there. So you see what I'm saying? So it has to come up to here if that was the chair, but I have a brown chair that's even better, and it's gonna go really great with this. So that's what I want to do. I want to sit her at that height. You see what I'm saying? And the chair that I have is gonna do it. So I am going to make a little dining room for her, and then she's gonna have one of her friends over. So I hope that you stay tuned because this table is gonna look great after I decorate it. So this is just for the idea, testing the structure, the base, and the height. And again, this is not going to be the chair, okay? So I just need to get the right chair, and she's going to be sitting down, and the height of this will be fine. So I hope that you stay tuned, and thank you so much for watching.